Yes, well, back with you. Hello again, Jim Burns. What we got going on here today, thought I'd share with you. That lift gate that I built, the one edge really needed a retaining wall. Even though it's a restricted speed on that curve, no sense taking a chance of a locomotive tumbling down 4 feet if it ever derailed on that curve. So anyhow, what I found here is a sandstone peel and stick tile. I imagine it's for backsplashes and the like, but it's real sandstone. It looks real nice. I found it in the clearance bin up at Lowe's. So I thought, hey, that would make a nice retaining wall. So I'll show you what I did here. Let me see if I can swing the camera around. But anyway, this is the stuff here. They're all individual pieces, and some are smooth and some have holes in them. Some are rough cuts, and you can remove pieces if you want to, which I did to create the wall. Let me swing the camera around here, give you a look at the wall that I made. There it is there. Goes all the way around there. And then I just took it out of the package and started arranging it on a piece of plywood, 1/2-inch plywood. Then I screwed it to the edge of the lift bridge here and just filled in any spaces that were missing, because it doesn't fit, perfectly together. It's designed to, but there's always a piece or two missing. But so what I did was, for the top here, I took the smoothest pieces, if you can see, like this one here, and this one here, real shiny and smooth. And I used that as the top cap on the bridge, or I mean the retaining wall. It gives it a nice look. Made sure all the joints were alternating, so none of them wound up on top of each other. Worked out quite nicely. I added a couple spacers between the board for the retaining wall and the lift bridge, just to give some clearance. One locomotive, I tested a bunch of locomotives, but the one kept hitting one of these outcroppings. So, and that was over here, right towards the end of the curve here. So I pulled that out and replaced it with a smooth one, and that took care of that problem. None of the locomotives hit it now, and it's looking real good. And it's strong too. It's strong. It's not going anywhere. Yeah, it'll stop any locomotive now. And I got some wiring hanging down there to power that track going down that way. I still gotta, figure out the track plan I want for this, but yeah, so this was what I wound up with on the lift bridge here. Came out real nice. I was real happy with it. I cut the blocks that didn't fit quite right. I cut them with a moto tool with a cutoff wheel in it. That worked out real well. Made short work of cutting that. There she is, waiting to go across the bridge here. But that's all I wanted to show today. I'll share a little video I made just to update everybody, but this turned out real nice. Be a great idea if you see stuff like this at Lowe's or Home Depot, wherever you're at, pick it up. You know, I think it was $3 for 2 packages, so I got a good deal on it, and it makes a nice wall. All right, talk to you again. Doodles.